Three important things to remember as you go through Kundalini awakening. The first important thing is to remember that you are not alone. It can be a very isolating, very lonely, very, in some ways, traumatizing experience, but it's important to remember that if you are experiencing this Kundalini and spiritual awakening, you are not alone. I know for me, when I experienced it on my journey, I was sharing with my friends, I was sharing with my family, and nobody could see me, nobody could hear me, nobody could understand me. I felt so deeply isolated and alone because of that. And I'm here to tell you today that you are not alone. There are thousands, maybe even millions of people all over the world who are going through this experience. I've experienced it, countless of people have been experiencing it, and I want you to remember that you're not on your own. It's not weird and you're not going crazy because it can feel like that sometimes. The second thing I wanted to cover is that you are always connected to spirit, to source, universal consciousness, whatever you want to call it. You are always connected to this spirit that moves through life on earth, and through that connection, you can always feel grounded, you can always feel supported, and you can know that you're always being guided towards your highest good and whatever that may be. And so that creates a deep level of trust and a deep level of safety as you move through the world because you know that you are always connected in spirit and that you're always being guided for your highest good. And the third important thing to remember is that you can change your circumstances at any time. Whether you're feeling anxious or fearful or overwhelmed with energy, there are always practices and things you can do to help calm your nervous system, to help you ground back to the earth, whether that's yoga or meditation or breath work or some other mindfulness practice that you like to do, whatever that may be. There are a lot of ways you can return back to your center, back to yourself, and back to your own divine nature. And if you'd like some support with that, I've actually created a free course called Soul Seekers that helps you find unity in body, mind, heart, and soul. So if you're on the journey of creating a daily mindfulness practice, you might want to check it out. I'll put a link down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and have a beautiful day.